FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Chill Key Glacier LW8K mouse. It's purple. Let's check it out. Oh, let's show you the whole box. It's a box. All right. Standard packaging. Got a little mouse packet. Little mouse packet. What the fuck? Guess that's part of it. Okay, we got plastic wrapper here. That's kind of weird. This is, oh, it's got like little ripples. You see that? It's got like ribs. That's cool. Okay. It's a weird fucking shape. It's really comfortable though. This on cloth might be... Oh, look at this. I love this skate design. It's got a ring skate, 4 dots on the sides. The stability's crazy. It feels like it's like raised up higher than most mice. Okay. Oh man, that's a good scroll. It's a loud scroll wheel. It's good. It's kind of wiggly. Okay. Continue with the unboxing. It comes with a sleeve for the mouse. Okay. It's nice and felty. Look at this. Yeah. Okay. It's with a pen. Now I did this on Kickstarter. I'm number 385. That's cool. Hey, I like that. Did this on Kickstarter or Pledge Box. Comes with a full set of, get this down here, skates again, grips. Look at that grip. It's like, that's cool. Okay. All right. Got the master guide here. Okay. That's a cool dongle. Let's see. What else we got? Get this dongle out. It's kind of a interesting dongle. It's going to sit on my desk weird. It's got like raised sides a little. Okay. So it's in this box. Let's see what's in here. Cord. Yeah. It's a not bad cord actually. Weird cord. It's a bizarre texture. It's kind of like that Angry Mouse cord that I like so much that came with the Infinity mouse. An unfortunate combo. Such a good cord for such a bad mouse. But like the fibers aren't as long. Nice though. Very flexible. Love it. Okay. That's the unboxing. I'm not going to make you guys watch the reboxing. I can't wait. Man, this is just, it's a good shape. Pretty excited for it. All right. Oh man, those feel nice. This ribbing right here is very interesting. I'm excited to use this one. Okay, that was the Chill Key. What's the model number? Chill Key LW8K. The perfect gaming partner. 48 grams. It's got a 3950 in it. All right, that's enough of this. Check you guys in the next one.